Greetings everyone. In this video, I will be sharing with you that even if you are starting as a very humble beginning like a CRC, CTA, you have a potential to reach a director, a leadership position, which is very much in reach. So in this video, I will be sharing a roadmap, and this is based on the practical examples which I have seen how people progressed when they even just started as CTA, CRC. They within 10-12 years, they just progressed to the leadership position like director or leading a department. So suppose you are starting as a CRC or CTA. Maybe your salary is 25 or 35 thousand a month in India, if I'm talking, and then your responsibilities are very minimal. Like you will be working with hand in hand to your investigator. You will be mostly working on the instructions like do this, do that, following your SOPs, right? This is a very beginner friendly role. And then the moment you gained the knowledge, certain knowledge, you can start progressing to other senior roles. Like once you have experience of as a CRC or CTA of 1 year or 1.5 year, now this is the potential time for you to think like, can I switch my field also, like I have done. So maybe from CRC you can move to medical writing. It is much easier instead of starting as a fresher in a medical writing. Or you can move to PV. Maybe you can try different positions in a CRO or a pharma company. So this is one switch you can make potentially when you have a certain experience. And the important thing here is keep upgrading yourself. Try to learn as much as you can do, because at the site is the best place where you can learn each and everything, how trial mastery file is followed, how you are really in a practical applying GCP principle, right? Safety well-being of the subject. So now once you have this, you can move to a CRO or a pharma company. Or even if you are staying at a site, you can be a senior CRC, or even you can be a study manager. Or if you wanted to continue in a operations only, you have a different path. Either you can go to a project management, you can be a project management associate, or you can be follow the path of a monitoring CRA, senior CRA, or decentralized monitoring lead, these positions. So this is like slowly you are moving to a mid level of a positions. Or if you switch to a medical writing, you can pursue that. So in a mid, it is really defining part. Like if are you really wanted to continue as an operation, or you wanted to switch your field of PV, medical writing, data management, or any other which sounds which resonate with your profile or your personality. So now when you are in a middle of experience, like 2 to 5 years of experience, this is a defining step. Why I'm saying a defining step? Now from here, my suggestion based on my personal experiences, do not jump the fields. Select your path, bring clarity. Like I wanted to continue in operations, or I wanted to continue in other field, and select that path. Suppose operations, you are a CRA, then senior CRA, monitoring lead, project manager. Follow that path. Now bring your total focus that I wanted to grow my career in this field. Then don't get yourself confused. And here, when you have an experience of 3 to 5 years, your salary range will also be better. You can easily touch 10 to 12 lakh based on your experience as well as your hard work and the knowledge. And now once you cross the experience of 5 year, you can start preparing yourself for a leadership roles. First, you can prepare yourself a management role. Start learning about management skills, even a people management skill. And the good thing is, if you have a clarity, you can find a plenty of options within your organization. Suppose you joined as a senior CRA, particular contract research organization, CRO, or a pharma company. Talk to your manager that this is my clarity, and I wanted to progress in this path only, and develop your career map, right? So there you will get a lot of opportunity, take up additional responsibility, develop your project management skills, people management skill. And then slowly, once you have a good people management skill, project management skill, you are ready to move to a leadership position. Then you can start training yourself to leadership positions, like starting with a senior manager and then associate director or a director or head of the department. Different organizations have a different names to address, but the ultimate goal is the leadership position. And along the way, if possible, take some course, upskill yourself, right? So that your CV is strong. Always keep on working your CV, because CV is the one thing that will talk for you. One is we on the job we are learning the skills, another is proactively what additional things we are doing for ourselves. Now once you are in this leadership roles, sky is the limit. You can easily make 40 plus 50 60 lakh per annum. That depends on the different organizations to different organization how much, and plus on you as well, like how much potential you have. So my idea here to share on video is that when we do seminars and webinars, I participate in free webinars. The key question is, ma'am, CTA is they pay very less, CRC they pay very less. But my idea is, look for a bigger picture, develop your career map, and you are good to go. So this is little a motivation video for you, and to showcase you what is possible for you, possibilities in this career, in a career in a clinical research. Please comment and share what is the other topic you would like me to cover. Thank you so much.